Set. Ready? Go.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Nito.
Hi, my name is Lily.
Here's some stuff. We're gonna show you some stuff that boys can get. First is my book bag that I use for school.
And it has a front pocket, and what's on it is a baseball, his name,
And my number. That was.
and if you open up this pocket, there's like a little hanger right here, clip, and lots of room.
This is what the inside looks like.
Inside looks,
Like this.
and there's two pockets for your drinks,
Or anything like that. And then in the inside's this.
a lunchbox, and inside you can put your books right here, some other stuff, and it has lots of room. Let's
And
show you
then the lunch box first. This is where you can put like the silverware or napkins and stuff in it. And then here's where your food goes and stuff, like anything, like sandwiches and
this
stuff.
pocket. And is there another pocket? No, there's just one pocket. You can put your
And
name
then right here.
And
And then here's a lunch. Here's a snack pocket thing. Here's what it looks like in the inside. That's what it
it
does.
keeps cool stuff if you have any cool snacks or anything. Next we have his football bag.
You can put cleats on the side right here. You can put like your eye black
Or
anything, or any football things like gloves.
You can also put a football and actually football in it.
Yes, like that.
And then inside he has his shoulder pads and his helmet, and it fits a lot of stuff. And we do carry this bag, not in this particular color, but we have a crosshatch one and other different designs.
And it's just clip one thing.
So he has quite a few things that is 31, plus he has a cinch sack and some other things. So 31 is great for little boys also. Say bye.
Bye.